Hello everybody, it's me, and today I am doing some more crappies. Some craps that I hate, that I will not do. Are you freaking serious? Ever again in my life am I going to do this? Gunblood Doodle. So this is not the... I'm gonna make you die. So... if you guys want to see some more things, we are going to be doing others. So I'm actually on my phone right now. Oh, whoops. But this is on my tablet what I'm playing on right now. So I'll still be booted. I don't think so. So I'm just going to be... the Ouija board. So guys, I'm going to be doing other stuff, and I'm gonna move this around and everything around. I got Happy Wheels, I got other stuff, and it'll be like, what? So I guess I'll be seeing y'all tomorrow. See you later, and bye. I don't know why this was so short, but yeah, see you later.